Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of mobile photography with our top 5 picks for the best phone macro lenses. Whether you're an amateur photographer or a seasoned pro, these lenses can help you capture stunning close-up shots right from your smartphone. So let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Tokohansun phone macro lens. The Tokohansun phone macro lens is designed for photography enthusiasts looking to enhance their mobile photography capabilities. With its dual lens system and portable design, this lens aims to provide users with the tools they need to capture stunning images, whether it's expansive landscapes or intricate close-ups. In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of the Tokohansun phone macro lens to help you decide if it's the right addition to your photography toolkit. Pros. Portable design. Weighing only 5.9 ounces, the Tokohansun phone macro lens is lightweight and easily portable. It comes with a stylish leather bag that makes storage and transport a breeze. This convenience allows photographers to carry the lens with them anywhere, making it an excellent choice for on-the-go shooting. Dual lens functionality. The lens kit includes a 0.45x wide-angle lens for capturing expansive landscapes and a 12.5x macro lens for magnifying intricate details. This versatility enables users to switch between different types of photography with ease, allowing for creative exploration of various subjects. High-quality material. Constructed from aero-grade aluminum and German optical glass, the Tokohansun lens is designed for durability and longevity. The high-quality materials contribute to clear and sharp images, enhancing the overall photography experience and ensuring that users can capture their best shots. Easy to use, the design of the lens is user-friendly, allowing for quick and easy operation. Users can simply spin the split counterclockwise to switch between the wide-angle and macro lenses. This straightforward functionality is ideal for both beginners and experienced photographers. Cons. Limited zoom capability. While the macro lens provides impressive magnification at 12.5x, some users may find that it lacks the flexibility of higher zoom options found in dedicated macro cameras. This limitation might not meet the expectations of professional photographers looking for advanced features. The Tokohansun phone macro lens is a versatile and portable tool for mobile photography enthusiasts. Its dual lens system, high-quality materials, and ease of use make it an attractive option for those looking to elevate their smartphone photography. Coming in at number 4, we have the Uslion phone macro lens. The Uslion phone macro lens aims to enhance mobile photography by providing a professional-grade lens that easily attaches to your smartphone. With its ability to expand the shooting angle and improve image quality, this lens is designed for both amateur and serious photographers. In this video, we will explore the pros and cons of the Uslion phone macro lens to help you decide if it's the right accessory for your mobile photography needs. Pros. Enhanced shooting angle. The Uslion lens expands the shooting angle of your mobile phone by 60%, allowing for more creative compositions and perspectives. This feature is especially beneficial for capturing wider scenes or intricate details in macro photography without sacrificing image quality. High-quality optics. Constructed from high-quality optical glass with a multi-layer optical coating, the Uslion lens addresses common issues associated with external mobile phone lenses, such as blurry edges. This ensures that images maintain sharpness and clarity across the entire frame. Improved light transmittance. With a 49mm UV port, the lens guarantees excellent light transmittance, enhancing the brightness of your photos. This feature is crucial for achieving clear and vibrant images, particularly in challenging lighting conditions. Portability. Unlike traditional camera lenses, the Uslion phone macro lens is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry and use on the go. This portability allows users to enhance their photography experience without the bulk of extra equipment. Professional-grade effects. The lens provides professional-grade effects, allowing users to experiment with various photography styles. Whether you're capturing macro shots or wide-angle landscapes, the lens delivers quality results that can rival those of dedicated cameras. Cons. Durability concerns. The portability of the lens can come at the expense of durability. While the optical glass is of high quality, the overall construction may not withstand heavy use or drops, as well as some more robust photography equipment. The Uslion phone macro lens is a valuable tool for anyone looking to elevate their mobile photography game. Its enhanced shooting capabilities, high-quality optics, and user-friendly design make it a great choice for casual and budding photographers. At number 3, the Apexel phone macro lens. The Apexel phone macro lens aims to elevate smartphone photography with its high-definition performance and thoughtful design. Drawing inspiration from the aesthetics of the Chinese tea ceremony, this lens combines functionality with style. In this video, we will explore the pros and cons of the Apexel phone macro lens to help you determine if it's the right choice for enhancing your mobile photography experience. Pros: high-definition clarity. As a part of the high-end series, the Apexel phone macro lens boasts superior clarity compared to ordinary lenses. This enhanced optical quality allows photographers to capture intricate details with remarkable sharpness, making it ideal for macro photography and other applications. Thoughtful design. The lens features a unique design inspired by the Chinese tea ceremony, resembling a teacup. This aesthetic approach not only makes the lens visually appealing but also highlights its cultural significance, appealing to users who appreciate elegant design in their photography gear. Non-slip clips. The lens comes equipped with non-slip locomotive clips that securely attach to your smartphone. This built-in bezel design effectively protects your phone from scratches during use, ensuring that both the lens and your device remain in excellent condition. Convenient portability. The Apexel lens includes a silicone case and a portable bag, making it easy to transport and store. This added convenience is beneficial for photographers on the go, allowing for quick access to the lens while also providing protection when it's not in use. Flexible purchase options. Users can choose to purchase the Apexel lens either as a combination kit or as a single lens. This flexibility allows photographers to select the option that best suits their needs and budget, catering to both casual users and serious enthusiasts. Cons: limited zoom features. Although the Apexel phone macro lens excels in macro photography, it may not offer extensive zoom capabilities. Users seeking advanced zoom options might need to consider other lenses or dedicated cameras for more specialized photography needs. The Apexel phone macro lens offers a high-quality and stylish option for mobile photographers looking to enhance their skills. With its high-definition clarity, thoughtful design, and convenient portability, it presents an attractive choice for those interested in macro photography. In the second spot, we have the Neewer LS-26 phone macro lens. The Neewer LS-26 phone macro lens is designed to elevate smartphone photography by offering enhanced close-up capabilities. With its impressive features, including a 105mm focal length and durable construction, this lens is tailored for photography enthusiasts looking to capture intricate details. In this video, we'll discuss the pros and cons of the Neewer LS-26 to help you determine if it's the right accessory for your mobile photography setup. Pros: extended focal length. With a focal length of 105mm, the Neewer LS-26 allows photographers to get closer to their subjects while maintaining a comfortable distance. This feature is particularly useful for photographing delicate or skittish subjects, like insects, as it helps capture fine details without disturbing them. Compatibility. The LS-26 is compatible with a range of popular smartphone models, including the iPhone 15 Pro Max, 14 Pro Max, 13 Pro Max, and several Samsung Galaxy models. This broad compatibility ensures that many users can enhance their mobile photography without needing a new device. Twist on design. The lens features a user-friendly twist on design that allows for easy attachment to most phone cases equipped with a 17mm threaded lens backplate. This makes it simple for users to switch lenses on the go, ensuring minimal downtime while shooting. High-quality optical glass. Crafted from premium HD optical glass with anti-reflective multi-coatings, the LS-26 lens minimizes glare and ghosting while maintaining vibrant colors and enhancing contrast. With 6 elements in 6 groups, the lens ensures clear images without distortion, providing professional quality results. Cons: limited focus range. Although the 105mm focal length is advantageous for many macro photography situations, it may not be ideal for broader scenes or subjects that require a wider field of view. This limitation may require users to switch to another lens for different types of photography. The Neewer LS-26 phone macro lens offers an excellent option for smartphone photographers seeking to enhance their close-up shooting capabilities. With its extended focal length, high-quality optical construction, and sturdy design, it provides great value for capturing intricate details. And finally, at number 1, we have the Ulanzi CL-003 phone macro lens. The Ulanzi CL-003 phone macro lens promises to elevate your smartphone photography with its innovative design and premium optical performance. With a focus on eliminating common issues like dark corners and vignetting, this lens aims to deliver authentic, undistorted images while providing a stunning bokeh effect. In this video, we'll delve into the pros and cons of the Ulanzi CL-003 phone macro lens to help you determine if it's the right addition to your photography toolkit. Pros. P. No dark corners or vignetting. One of the standout features of the Ulanzi CL-003 is its ability to eliminate dark corners and vignetting that can often plague smartphone lenses. This ensures that your images maintain consistent brightness and clarity across the entire frame, providing a more professional-looking result. Authentic and undistorted images. The lens is designed to keep your photos authentic and undistorted, preserving the natural qualities of your subjects. This is especially important for macro photography, where detail and accuracy are paramount. Photographers can capture intricate details without worrying about image distortion. Stunning bokeh effect. The Ulanzi CL-003 creates a beautiful bokeh effect, allowing photographers to achieve that coveted shallow depth of field look. This feature enhances the aesthetic quality of your images, making your subjects stand out against a beautifully blurred background. Premium optical glass. Crafted from high-quality optical glass, this lens ensures that your images are sharp and clear. The durability of the materials used contributes to the longevity of the product, making it a reliable choice for photography enthusiasts. Universal 17mm lens clip. The lens comes with a universal 17mm lens clip, making it compatible with a wide range of smartphones. This versatility allows many users to enhance their mobile photography without needing specialized equipment. Cons. Sensitivity to distance. The effectiveness of the macro lens often depends on the distance between the lens and the subject. Users may find that they need to experiment with distances to find the best results, which can be challenging in fast-paced shooting scenarios. The Ulanzi CL-003 phone macro lens offers an impressive combination of quality and functionality, making it an excellent choice for mobile photography enthusiasts. With features like no dark corners, stunning bokeh effects, and premium optical glass, it stands out as a reliable option for capturing detailed and authentic images.